In the old days, there were not a lot of great options for replacing teeth. Now with dental implant technology that we offer here in our office, there are a lot of great options. We really leverage the technology that dentistry provides to replace missing teeth. So instead of the old way of grinding on teeth that didn't need to be ground down, replacing them with things that came in and out that patients absolutely never keep up with or absolutely hate, now there's dental implants. And dental implants allow you to replace a tooth where it's a simple procedure where there used to be a root of a tooth. We replace it with an implant and allow you to have a tooth that functions and feels like your old tooth used to. The way that we do implants here is a little bit different. We start the process with a 3D x-ray. We take a look at that and we plan your surgery. A lot of times for our patients we actually provide a surgical guide as well, and what that does is it's a 3D printed device that allows us to place that on your teeth and help the surgery go as efficiently as possible. We've had surgeries that we've actually finished in under 15 minutes because of the planning that we've done beforehand. And our patients are always impressed. They're like, wow, I thought it was gonna be scary. I thought it was gonna take a long time. I thought it was gonna hurt. Sometimes I've had patients actually call in surprise and say, that's it? There's really nothing else. It's a great service that we can provide to our patients that are missing teeth and looking to replace their teeth.